Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on? YouTube, you guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Instagram. Instagram has recently rolled out monthly subscriptions that are going to let creators make a monthly recurring income. And so, whenever there's new opportunities to make money, new opportunities to monetize a social media platform, that's always something I like exploring. I kind of like bringing these things to your guys' attention as well. So if any of you guys are Instagram creators, you have a decent sized following, or you're already making money on Instagram, this may be of interest to you. I'd like to get more people on the channel here in the new year. When I talk about a topic, something like this, if you're doing this, if you're making money doing this, and you kind of want to share with other people what you're doing, as well as kind of promote what you're doing, feel free to hit me up. I'd love to have you on the channel. We could do a live stream, do a little interview, something like that, pick your brain, kind of treat it like a little data sheet and share with people what you're doing. You can reach out to me at RulesForRebels@gmail.com. I just deleted like 6,000 emails that I was backed up on, and I just knew I was never, ever going to get through. So I kind of cleared the dashboard. I'm going to try to keep up with it a little bit better. So if you've reached out to me in the past, I just recently deleted everything, but I'm going to try to stay up on that here in the new year. So Instagram's rolling out subscriptions. Here's what's kind of interesting about Instagram. So Instagram is pretty much the only social media platform that doesn't have direct monetization, right? Like YouTube has YouTube channel memberships, which is something a little bit newer. They've had the YouTube partner program or the ability to monetize videos for a number of years now. Twitter's never really taken off with anything, but they have had, they tried to monetize videos before. Now they're kind of doing channel memberships. Facebook has been paying video content creators for a while. But Instagram, despite being one of the most popular social media channels, and despite being one of the most profitable platforms for influencers, they don't have a direct way to make money. Obviously, most Instagrammers make money either through affiliate marketing and links in their channel bios, or through brand sponsorships. And, if you're interested in hearing more about how much people were making, I've done some videos on this in the past. You can search the channel. But people are making stupid money on Instagram. I mean, we're talking $1,500, $3,500 for a post from a creator with 10,000 followers, 15,000 followers. And a lot of times it's not even a permanent post. A lot of the Instagrammers who sell a shout out or a sponsored post or something like that, it might only stay up for 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, maybe a day, 48 hours or something like that. But yeah, people have been making stupid money on Instagram despite the platform itself not really having a direct way to monetize. I know over the last year, maybe even 2 years, there's been a lot of talk of Instagram basically creating or rolling out their own type of like influencer marketing agency, I guess, for lack of a better word, to where basically, right now, if I'm a brand and I want to do some type of sponsored post or sponsored content with an Instagrammer, I got to reach out to them through email. We kind of negotiate the thing. The payment happens outside of Instagram. I know Instagram for a long time was talking about kind of bringing this in-house, allowing brands and influencers, content creators to connect directly on the Instagram platform, have payments go through there, be able to verify, their account stats, things like that. That never really came along. Basically, what Instagram's doing now, they're going to be rolling out this subscription service. It's going to be very similar to YouTube channel memberships. And in terms of the perks, people who subscribe or pay a monthly fee to creators, and by the way, creators can set this fee at whatever they want. Obviously, YouTube, all these platforms take a cut of what you earn, but kind of like YouTube did with, not YouTube Reels, what is it called? Like YouTube Stories, or whatever those are called. Where they weren't going to take a cut for the first year or two to try to kind of encourage people to use it. Instagram's doing the same thing. So Instagram is not going to take a cut of what creators earn, at least until 2023. And if you subscribe or pay to be a member of somebody's account, channel, whatever you want to call it, there'll be specific lives, Instagram lives, that only subscribers can see. Content creators will also be able to put out Instagram stories that only their subscribers will be able to see. And then people will also be able to get special badges or emoji cons or something like that to kind of signify that they are a subscriber. As far as what this is going to look like, here on this image right here, you can see, we got this creator, which is XR Creator. And right here we got message, email, and subscribe. So you'd hit that subscribe button. I imagine it would tell you what their monthly fee is. And then if you decide to pay it, you can wind up subscribing. Currently, this is like a very, very small beta test, though I'm pretty sure this will probably wind up rolling out all over the place. Obviously, YouTube and Instagram are always kind of constantly trying to compete with each other. That's why YouTube has stories now, because Instagram had stories. That's why YouTube kind of has their own Reels, because Instagram had Reels. So Instagram here is kind of piggybacking on what YouTube did with channel subscriptions, which, to my surprise, have actually kind of picked up and done pretty well. I think YouTube's trying to kind of keep everybody on the YouTube platform and make that money themselves, as opposed to having creators and viewers go over to Patreon and kind of handle that relationship outside of YouTube. Again, this is a very small beta test. I saw there was a list of people who are part of this new membership program. I checked out like one or two of their accounts and I didn't see the membership button. But some of the accounts that are already in this are an account called Alan Chicken Chow, who I guess is a content creator who first gained notoriety through TikTok. Sedona _ a basketball player who currently plays for the Oregon Ducks. Eliza Kelly, I guess she's a celebrity astrologer and best-selling author. Kelsey Lincook, an actor, dancer, and model. Elliot Norris creates videos focused around sustainable recipes, going plastic-free and other eco-friendly related content. Jordan Chile is an Olympic silver medalist in gymnastics. Jack Jerry, Instagram model and member of the NCAA gymnastics team. Bunny Michael, host of the EXO Higher Self podcast, which focuses on spirituality. Donna Lenny produces creative visual content such as AR lenses for Snapchat. I think that's the guy we're looking at right now. And Lonnie Vive, a web star best known for creative TikTok sketches. So if you want to check out any of these accounts, I'll wind up putting, those are all kind of weird names. I'll wind up putting them in the description box below. But yeah, is this something that interests you? Would you ever pay an Instagram creator to get additional content? Are you an Instagram creator who would like to roll this out? Instagram's a platform that has just never really appealed to me. I kind of wish I had gotten on it earlier. Back when Instagram was still kind of younger. I kind of knew it was going to be a big thing, but one thing that never really appealed to me about Instagram was the fact it's not something that's passive, right? Like, I'm a big fan of like affiliate marketing. I used to be into print on demand. I like doing things where you can create a little brand, create a little niche, create some content, basically put a bunch of effort in up front. To where you can kind of scale it and then kind of let it run passively and continue to make you money while you wind up working on other projects. And Instagram always, to me, seemed like something where you kind of always had to be on. You always kind of had to be active. Seeing how big Instagram's gotten and how much money some people are making on Instagram over the years, I've kind of kicked myself for not being a part of it, but the platform's just never really appealed to me that much. But that's all I got for you guys today. Any thoughts, ideas, anything like that you guys want to share? Feel free to drop them in the comments section below. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button down below, ding the bell, and if you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. That's all I got for you guys today. I'll catch you on the next video.